Hi guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to make some infused Sour Patch candies. And yes, we're going to infuse them twice, but we're also going to put some CannaSugar over top of these babies, so they're actually going to be infused 3 times. Now, what you need are obviously some Sour Patch. You can do Sour Patch or the watermelon Sour Patch too. You need some tincture, a syringe, if you want to make them the same way I am, then you'll also need some CannaSugar, which is infused sugar. And I'll show you how to make that kind of sweet and sour sugar base to put over top of our Sour Patch after this clip. First, we're going to infuse them. Now, I'm going to take my syringe and just get me some tincture up in here. And this is another word for tincture in the Canna community, 420 community, is green dragon. So basically, I'm injecting the Sour Patch with the green dragon, as you can see here in the video. Super easy, super simple. Now I'm going to show you how to make that sweet and sour sugar. So for the sweet and sour sugar, I'm going to use the rest of this CannaSugar I have, which is again my infused sugar. If you guys want to know how to make this, I can also post a recipe on how I make my sugar. And the second and last ingredient, we'll need some citric acid. You can get them from your local grocery stores. You can use this for different things, but for this recipe, we're going to use this as our sour component. So I'm going to put about 1 to 2 tablespoons in here. I just pretty much measure it. Depending on how much sugar you use half and half. Or you can use just a little bit more sugar since it's like really, really super sour. But they are called Sour Patch, so I added a little bit more. And here's a close-up of me just mixing that together. Super easy, super simple. It's not a big deal. I know some people, after they infuse the Sour Patch with the tincture, they kind of just stop there. Or maybe they just put some regular sugar and citric acid on it. But I like to take mine up a notch and add the CannaSugar. So after these have been infused twice, as you can see, they're a little bit more plump than when you first take them out the bag. That's because I infuse them, place them under a fan at room temperature, and just kind of let them dry up. As you can see, these are still pretty moist because they've been infused twice. You don't have to infuse yours twice. I like for mine to be really, really potent, so I infuse mine twice each. And then after I put the sugar on it, I put them under the fan for about an hour. So for this order, I'm actually doing for a customer. So they also wanted the blue Sour Patch. So I'm going to show you this is before and this is after. So before is on the right here, and this is after on this side. And you can see these have been infused twice. They're more plump and they have a green tint. And that's because that's our CannaSugar. And then these on the right side, which have not been infused, are more white. So you can repeat that twice. And there you have it. Infused Sour Patch. Enjoy. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and let me know if there are any other recipes that you guys want to learn. I'll be posting them. Thank you for coming by.